competition, one starts nothing. Without work, one finishes nothing. The prize will not be sent to you. You have to win it. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, sir, teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. I, Gayatri Parija of Standard 10, welcome you all to today's morning assembly. So, let's start our morning assembly with DAV gun.
School, attention! Ready for DAV gun! Close your eyes.
An oath is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. So I request.
Good morning. Myself Jyotiranjan Das of class 7. Ready for pledge. Take place position. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Now, for some principles of Arya Samaj, I would like to call.
Good morning everyone. I am Anand Kumar of class 7 going to telling about 10 principles of Arya Samaj. Point number 5. The All actions should be performed in conformity with dharma, that is after due consideration of right and wrong. Point number 6. All primary aim of the Arya Samaj is to do good for all, that is promote their physical, spiritual and social well-being. Thank you.
A new day starts with a new belief, new strength, and endless possibilities. So, to inspire us and illuminate our morning assembly, I would like to call his thought.
My name is Mousami Jana, class 7. Today's thought: success and unsuccessful people do not vary greatly in their abilities. They vary in their desires to reach their potential. Thank you, sir.
School, attention! Ready for prayer song.
Now, to up to date us with the latest happening around the world, I would like to call Ayush.
School, stand at it.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are: first, some international news. Ukraine asked UK Security Council to discuss Russian bid to recognize separatists. French bill banning Egypt in sports events moved to National Assembly. Now some national news. Northern Army Commander Lieutenant General Dwivedi reviews security scenario in Kashmir. Punjab Assembly election PM Modi targets AAP at Pathankot rally, calls it photocopy of Congress. Now some sports news. IPL Shreyas Iyer appointed captain of Kolkata Knight Riders. BCCI to allow 20,000 odd spectators at Eden for third T20. KL Rahul remains fourth and Virat Kohli static on 10th in T20 ranking. That's all. Thank you.
Now, for some amazing facts, I would like to call.
Good morning to all. I am Saisi Sadatta with fact file about Lata Mangeshkar. Fact number 1. Lata Mangeshkar is known as the Nightingale of India. Fact number 2. Lata was born on September 28, 1929 to classical singer and artist Pandit Dhinanath Mangeshkar and Sevanti in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Fact number 3. Her siblings Meena, Asa, Usha and Hridaynath are all accomplished singers and musicians. Fact number 4. She lent her voice to over 5,000 songs in over 1,000 Hindi and 36 regional films. Fact number 5. Since 1942, Lata pushed back the boundaries of music with her mind-boggling skills. Fact number 6. She became the first Indian to perform at the Royal Albert Hall. Fact number 7. She was bestowed with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1989. Fact number 8. She was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 2001. Fact number 9. She held the distinction of being the most recorded artist in history of Indian music in Guinness Record in 1974. Fact number 10. The Indian government honored her with the Daughter of the Nation Award on her 19th birthday on September 2019. Fact number 11. Lata Mangeshkar passed away on February 6, 2022. Thank you and have a nice day.
A new word increases our vocabulary. So I would like to call.
My name is Vinayak Mahanti. Today's word, tumult. Its meaning is uproar of a disorderly rout. Its spelling is T-U-M-U-L-T. Thank you.
National anthem.
Life is not a race against others. Don't waste time and energy comparing and worrying about who is up ahead of you and who is behind you. Focus on yourself. That's all for today's morning assembly. Thank you.
School, standard in, assembly dispersed.